So, look at this cat. Just walking, well, not just walking around, but I'm actually going somewhere. But I thought we could walk and talk. I've been in for the last, I don't know, hour or two. Just trying to get out loads of videos. I got so many videos. I got like 100 and something videos that need me to put the description to the video. So I hope you guys read the descriptions to the videos, because there's a story being told, and every video has a piece of the puzzle to it. So if you read the descriptions, right, sometimes the videos, you might think, why has he put this video up? But the video holds some of the description of the storyline of what's going on and stuff like that. So if you're really following the storyline of what's going on, it's building, it's warming up, it's interesting. Is that a gun? It's not a gun, is it? So yeah, I've never walked up this road before, so we're both seeing it together. I'm on my way to get some beans for my rice. I'm going to do some cooking in a bit. And I might go live from the hostel, I don't know. Depends who's there. Maybe, or it might just, you can watch me do some cooking if you want, I don't know. Do something like that, I don't know. But yeah. Wow, winter coats. Interesting shot. There you go, you always find something interesting when you walk to new areas. They're nice jeans, not for me. And there's the half moon party that's coming up. It starts at 2 p.m. till late. Live music, DJ, fire show, body paint, blah blah blah. We'll see. That's the event we'll be going to. I'll be filming it for you guys, obviously. So I've got to stay a little bit sober, but we'll still have some fun. So maybe we're by the market area. I don't know. Have I took a shortcut, or is that not? I think that's a shortcut, you know. Wow. Okay, I've got avocado. That's okay. That's passion fruit. So yeah, I found a shortcut, man. I'm really happy about that. So but yeah. So look at this river. This is nice, man. So yeah, this is where I come to get my food. I can't believe it. There's a shortcut here. I think no one don't tell you anything, man. That is the world, I suppose. But yeah. So I've got everything I need for the next few days. If anything, I do need some green banana, you know. You know what? I might get some green banana on the way back down, because I need some green banana, man. Seriously, if I had green banana, what? You know what? I'm gonna get some green banana on the way back down, 100%, man. Even if I have to get too many, then I'm full up. Then I should feel how the food's holding me, but if I don't have these beans, there's not much there. So with the banana as well, that will get me there, man. Definitely. So yeah. But anyway, this is the market area and the food area. I think I showed you already. But tonight I'm planning to go to. I was at a bar today, just hanging out, and the music was cool. But every time I go there and I want to chill, I can't find myself a place where I'm comfortable. So I always don't go there. But today, I'm gonna rest till the evening, and then I'll just stand up somewhere in there, if that's the case, and yeah, do that. But one of the guys in there told me that the last band that's coming at 10:30, that's the one that's gonna get the place rocking, sort of thing. So I'm planning to get there for about 8, 9 and watch it build and see how it goes. But yeah, this is my newfound shop that I'm happy with. It's called 97 or something like that. Yeah, 97 Mini Store. And this guy has changed my whole life in hello. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna stick with him. He has everything. Has everything he needs. So I've come for the chickpeas. What time are you going now? Oh no. Maybe I should take the 2 tins because I do. Yeah, may as well. And then what else do I need? You know what? Just do these for now. Do these for now. They're a little expensive, but sorry, but this is the meal, you know. This is the big part of the meal. Wash all the stuff that's on them off.
You back?
Yes, please. Thank you. You have any more? Because there's none left now. It's finished. It's chickpeas finished. You have more?
Oh, you order.
You order, yeah? Okay then, thank you. So yeah, now green banana. I'm good, you know. I got salad. I got the banana to fill up my belly, but the thing is, right, they're forcing me to take like a bunch of them. I only need I prefer to like take 2 a day or something, rather than having them going yellow on me. I just want obviously, I'm not at home, so I don't if I was at home I'd just cook them and put them in the fridge. But like in the fridge, yeah, other people's got their food in there and stuff's going off and that. So like, I need to be turning my vegetables over fast in there, so I don't want to be holding stuff so long. So I just want 2 bananas really. So if I can get my hands on 1 or 2 bananas, I'm gonna take it. If not, I'm gonna have to leave it because for that same reason. So yeah. But like now I started cooking, right, I'm eating really good, man. Really, really good. And I should even be more greedy and stuff myself a bit more because I can. Got so many vegetables and stuff like that. I can just keep repeating this meal. So I'm gonna double up, man. I'm gonna double up, yeah, man. Double up. Yeah, let's see if we can get some green bananas. I really need some green banana now. They're very cautious about the phone, man. They hate the phone. Don't know why, man. So you see, I just want 3 or 4. I just want 2 green banana. Green banana. She's not gonna give me. Okay. They're not gonna give me. Oh, I ain't got no sweet potato, have I? Don't know. Oh, wow. I never seen I'm gonna have to get one, man. Seriously. Put that in my pot. Oh, man. Oh, and you got okra as well. Oh, man. I have all the good things here, man. These look. Oh, look what you're doing to me, man. Okay, so now I need that. Plants are 25, yeah. And, eight baht. Thank you. Okay. I need green banana. I'm not gonna get green banana. No, I'm not gonna get green banana. No. So, hello. Goodbye. So yeah, I'm very happy. Green banana. I'm gonna have to leave the green banana. And I don't want the sweet one. I can see some there, but it's sweet. I don't want sweet. I want. They're not sweet. I want planting, is what I mean. So yeah, I'm looking forward to tonight. It's Saturday night, and like my normal Saturday nights in England, or not even in England, in Europe, it would be like I'd go out until the boxing comes on or the UFC. But now I'm in Asia. Like if I was in Spain, the fight would come on like start at 10 o'clock and finish at 5 in the morning or whatever. But now over here, the fight starts at 9 o'clock in the mornings or something. Like the main event, like not the last event, just the event starts at 8, 9 o'clock. So it's like it's weird. Like you get up in the morning and you just chill in bed and watch the fight, or it's just like you start. It's a good way to. It's a nice. Like I've got used to it quite quickly. I'm quite surprised how quickly I've got used to Sunday morning stopping in bed. Like because normally, right, like if you're in England especially, or even in Europe as well, like if you haven't got the live stream, then you have to watch the replay in the morning after you've come in anyway. So it's the same sort of thing. So it's like it's kind of cool, like. So it's not affecting me that much. Like I'm enjoying it. the same way I normally would, sort of thing. And I get to have the Saturday night out, so yeah, it's cool for me. And over here, right, it's not many places that are open after 12 o'clock, so after 12 o'clock, you're kind of like just chilling. It's pretty cool. So that's a police station in front of us there, right? And I think it was yesterday. I nearly broke my hand yesterday. So what happened was it was my own fault, first of all. And 4 people on a bike, that's a world record, man. And basically I was coming to this restaurant here, I think. If it wasn't this one, it was the one, I think it was the one next door, one or the other. Coming to one of these restaurants to get some rice to go with my meal. I'm gonna have to probably do it again in a bit as well. And I had a motorbike just for the day. It wasn't this one, it was the one next to it. I had a motorbike for the day, right? It was that one there. And I parked it over here, but before I got on the motorbike, when I was at the hostel, there was another motorbike that looked like my one. So I put my phones in the compartment of it, and I was trying to turn it on and it wouldn't come on, and I was like, what's going on? And then I looked up and I realised it wasn't my scooter. So then I took the key out, went to the other one that I knew was my one, and it started. And then I rid up here to get my the rice. Ordered the rice. Well, I never ordered. The woman's like saying, "Oh, 1 minute, give me a minute." So while I'm standing there, I start thinking, and I'm like, "Where's my phone?" And I'm like, "F." Realised I left. Like, there's a chance I've left my phone in the other motorbike. So it's like, in my head, I'm thinking, I don't know whose motorbike that is. If they just ride off, I've lost both my phones, like, and I'm not gonna have to, like, I can track them, but it's gonna be hard, isn't it? Like, both of it. Like, if you lose one, you can track it with the other one, but losing 2 of them, you're in caca. So I'm thinking like that. I don't even tell the people I gotta go or I'll be back in a minute. I just run to the scooter, yeah, get on it, and I kind of like, I don't spin it, but I get on and like turn around, right? As I'm turning, I'm like my hand's stuck on the accelerator, like, so it's like skidding towards the wall, and I can see it's happening, but my hand's like in an angle where it's kind of like just stuck accelerating. So then like I end up going into the wall, and I get my left hand, pull it out in front of me, and smashes into the wall. So like, because we wasn't going real fast, it wasn't real bad, you know what I mean? But like it was, I thought I might have broke it today. I can feel a bit of pain, but it's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. So we're good on that side. So yeah, I'm back now. So I'm gonna do some cooking now, and I'll speak to you guys later.